Question number second, fill in the blanks. The volume of liquids and gases is expressed in liters because volume of liquids and gases is always in liters. Like 1 liter milk, 2 liter water, that are liquid things now, that are always in liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Area of 4 walls is given by that we have written firstly na 2 into L plus B into H. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid are called dimensions of the cuboid. Length, breadth and height are called the dimensions of the cuboid. Look at the adjoining figure of the cuboid and answer the following. This figure is given, we have to give answers. Name the edges which meet in the vertex H. We have to write the edges which meet in the vertex H. This is the vertex H. We have to write the edges. Which edges are meeting here? HD, HG and EH. These three edges are meeting at the vertices H. Vertices are the points and edges are the lines, and these are the faces. You all know about it. This topic we have done previously. This type you can do these all questions. Question number 4. The dimensions of a rectangular room cuboid are length, breadth and height. What is the area of its 4 walls? Same. We have tried the formula of area of 4 walls, that is 2 into L plus B into H. The volume of a cuboid is 36 centimeter cube and its base area is 18 square centimeter. What is its height? Height we have to find. Volume is given, base area is given. Volume of cuboid is equal to 36 centimeter cube. Base area is equal to 18 square centimeter. Base means base is rectangle, it means length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is given 18 centimeter square. Now volume is equal to 36. Formula of volume L into B into H, that is equal to 36. But L into B is equal to 18. We can write here 18. 18 into H is equal to 36. 36 by 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. It means height is equal to 2 centimeter. Question number 6. Find the volume and total surface area of the cuboids with the following dimensions. Length, breadth and height given. We have to find volume and surface area. We know the formulas. We will fill the values and we will solve. In first part, length is given 5 centimeter. Breadth is given 4 centimeter. Height is given 3 centimeter. We have to find volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. 5 into 4 into 3. That is equal to 60 centimeter cube. And total surface area 2 into LB BH plus HL. We will fill the values. 5 into 4, 4 into 3 plus 3 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Add all it. 47. 47 into 2, 94 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. All parts are same, that you can solve by self.